After working on the Hummer for all this time, doing all the sound system stuff, I thought, you know what I need? A radio. I have not had a head unit in this car since I got the car because I took it out, or I disconnected the battery and the factory radio locked itself. So I've been pretty unlucky with that, so I haven't had a radio since I got the car. So I did today purchase this Kenwood head unit right here. It's nothing special. It's not going to be a nice sound system by any means, but I will be able to listen to music. So I already got my harness here that I ordered a while back, and I have a dash install kit that's been sitting in the car. So I'm going to try to get this in today. So I'll just show you guys a basic head unit install. It should be really simple. Here we are with the new head unit. So this thing looks pretty sleek. I'm excited. It's brand new. Got it from Best Buy. They price matched Walmart's price, so got a pretty good deal. It's a 4 times 22 watts, so each speaker will get 22 watts RMS, which isn't a lot, but it's pretty good. So this is my adapter that I already bought, like I said. So this is going to plug into the factory harness, and then these wires right here are going to have to get hooked up to the harness for, oops, well, that's fine. Yeah, so these colors are going to go to these colors, and once I have this all soldered up, it'll be a connector that goes from the car's wiring, I'm knocking stuff over everywhere, over to the head unit. All this stuff down here is my tuning stuff. I'll have another video of that. I'm still trying to learn how to tune the car. It's quite a task, but once I find out what I'm doing, I'll show you. I moved over to the trunk here where the lighting's a little bit better, but what I've done is I used a pair of wire strippers here. These are pretty cool. Wire goes in and it pulls the shielding back just like that. But I stripped all the wires and I put shrink wrap on all of them just so I don't forget, because I like to twist wires and forget sometimes. So then these are already come pre-stripped, so I'm just going to hook up the colors to the same colors on there, and then we're going to twist them all together, solder them, heat shrink them, and then we'll test it. So I've got all the wires twisted together as you saw. Now I'm going to solder it. So I'll fire up my soldering iron here, and I'm going to get to work, solder all these wires, and then we'll shrink wrap them, and then after that we can go ahead and test it out. Now that they're all soldered up, I'm going to use the flame on here to heat up my shrink wrap. Now you could test this beforehand to make sure that it works, but maybe I'm overconfident. But I don't usually have issues with head unit installs like this. Typically all the wiring tends to work. Just being the same color, that wiring tends to work, so I'm just gonna hope for the best here. Worst case scenario, I have to take it back apart, just cut the wires, because now that I've soldered them, they're together. But if you did test it, you want to make sure that you didn't short anything out. If these wires touched each other or something like that, you could have issues. So you want to make sure that that doesn't happen. Right here is my fully completed wiring harness. Oh, it just started pouring. Okay, I'm gonna close that door. And I'm gonna close this door. Okay, now we're in the hot car. But yeah, so here's my wiring harness right here. That's all completed. It's all shrink wrapped, looking nice. I'm gonna tape it as well, but for right now I just wanna test this. So I'm gonna grab my factory connector out of here and plug this in like so, and this goes into the back of the head unit, which I have right here. So I'm gonna plug this in like that. After we're plugged in, we will put the head unit in. So I'm just gonna stick this stuff back there so it gets out of our way, and gotta try to sneak this in the correct way. I'm not going to snap it in just yet because I just want to see if it works. I'm going to get my keys here and we will take a look. Key on. And it looks like we are powered up. So, select language. Alright, press the volume knob. English works for me. Sure, we'll cancel the demo. Demo's off. Alright, we're in standby. Nice. Looks like you guys can barely see that. There we go. So yeah, we are fully functional. So I'm going to take this head unit back out and I'm going to put some tape around our little harness there, and then we'll be all set. Look at that little power off. Nice. So I decided to hook up the microphone that came with it. So I ran this wire just, through the console there, and then I ran it up over to here in the pillar. May or may not be able to see that up there, but there's a mic up there. So that'll be nice for Bluetooth calls and such. So I ran the microphone cable right here, just ran it down the B pillar, or the A pillar rather, and I'm just gonna plug this into the back of the head unit, wherever it plugs in, which is, I don't know where it plugs in. Oh, this dongle here. This is where it plugs in. So we'll put it in here, just like that. Now we'll have a microphone. I still got to tuck that wire up under the dash area there. But that's the only connection we need to make, other than an antenna connection. I don't know if this is going to actually work though. Oh, yeah, it looks like it did work. Not that I care, I don't listen to the radio whatsoever, so I won't be caring at all about that. But yeah, so now we got this thing all plugged in. All the wiring is all set. Just gotta find the right slot here. And make sure that our wires are staying above our little mounting area here. Let's see. These can be finicky. Some cars are easier than others, but I just gotta figure this particular car out. But once I figure it out, we'll get this guy to go in. We should be all set. Looks like we got it. So after messing with it for a while, I found the instructions online, and it says that you're supposed to cut these side clips off right here. So I'm gonna clip the clips. It's kind of hard to do when it's already on the car, but looks like I got that one, and I'm gonna go for the other one now. And after I clip these side clips off, hopefully we get a little bit better fitment, because it was giving me a bit of a tough time earlier. I think that's enough of that side clip. So we'll try to fit it again. We'll see if we can get it to fit this time. Seems better. Seems better. Still needs a little bit of coaxing in there, but I think you're supposed to screw it in from the back, but we'll see. I like that for now. I'm gonna leave it like that. Yeah, I'm happy with that. So if we key it up, let's see. We'll hook this thing up. Let's see if I can hook up the Bluetooth on my phone. See if we get this thing to work. Radio, USB, Bluetooth audio. And we've got a pair new device here. Pairing. Pixel 2. Press volume knob, okay. And we're paired. So let me play something. We got music. Hey. Nice. All right. Well, I've been lacking music for a few months now, and nice to finally have it. I've been moving. All right, so that's going to be the end of this video. Thanks for watching, guys, and hopefully you can install your own head unit in your own car, because it's super simple, and all you need is the correct stuff, and Amazon will tell you if it fits or not. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed, and hopefully you got something out of it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Until next time.